Alright, today we're gonna open one of these two. I don't know if I posted the thing yesterday, so I might post it today if it's not already on my channel. That's what I'm saying right now, because you guys didn't think I opened it twice in a day, but I didn't. That was yesterday. But now I figured I'm just gonna stop. Alright, but anyways, tomorrow, this one, Jigglypuff, and I have no idea who that girl is. If you guys don't know where I got these from, if you live in Wasco, the Walmart, really good. Oh, look it. Another one. Not bad. If I can get another good thing from this one. So I cut because Mom was talking to me again. To get dressed for going to church soon. Just want to do this for you guys before I do it. Like I said, if I want to get a God pack. If I do, I'm actually gonna start crying. So, what am I say? So far, anything good? We got cut that. I'll put it in my back actually. Actually, I'm okay getting that guy because I like his style of art. I know it's a cartoon art, but I like the way he looks. I don't know if I can. I didn't post the thing today, but yesterday, like, I got such a good pull from this. Sorry, put one from the back. Should be the last card. Guys, you gotta tell me if that's good or not. No, you guys gotta tell me if it's good. It's an EX. Full art. Anyways, bye. That's opening number 2.